Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do work in Threadbook 11. Please take out this page. In this page, what we have to do is choose which animal you would be, explain why, and write some sentences to describe it. Then draw your chosen animal in the space underneath. In this page, what you have to do, you have to write which animal you like and you would like to become like that animal. For example, I want to become parrot, so I will write I would choose to be a parrot. And why I want to become a parrot is because I want to fly up high like a parrot. That is the reason for me to become a parrot. So I will write it down because I like to fly high in the sky. So this is the reason why I want to become a parrot. Now what I am going to do, I am going to draw a picture of parrot in the box given below. This is my parrot's beak. Okay. Now move to the next page. This is our home task. Now I am going to explain you about the home task. This is page number 20, and in page number 20 what you have to do is show what you know. Work with a partner to complete the table below by reviewing your own learning this year at school. Now in this box we have a question. Here are 3 facts I have learned and know really well. In these 3 boxes, you have to write 3 topics you have learned in this class, this year, and you know these topics very well. So what you have to do, you have to write the name of these topics in the boxes given above. Now come to the second question. Here are 3 questions I still have. Now in these 3 boxes, you have to write any confusion you have regarding that topic. For example, if I have written topic number 1 two letter words, then in the next column I am going to write any questions I am having about the topic. Now come to the third point. Here are my 3 favorite pieces of work in my Threadbook this year. In this way, in this box you have to write your favorite work you have done in the Threadbook you are doing in this class, and either you can write the page number, or you can draw the picture, or you can write the topic of your choice. Now we are moving to the fourth question. Here are 3 ways I have used something to help me remember. Like in our class, we sometimes a teacher use a visual aid or any video or any prop to make you understand about the topic. So here you are going to write that particular prop or a video or object you have used to understand the topic. Now you have to write the name of that prop you have used. So we are done with this page also. Now come to the maths worksheet. And what we have to do, we have to do this worksheet. Write down your name and today's date. Use the space under each word problem to draw out pictures to help you solve the number sentence. Now I am reading the first problem. Sam has 5 blocks. He found 4 more. How many blocks does he have now? So what we are going to do, we are going to add 4 more blocks. The first box we are going to make 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we are going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we add 5 and 4, they become 9. So we have 9 boxes altogether. Now coming to the second one problem. Anne has 6 cookies. She gave 2 cookies away. How many cookies does she have left? Now keeping 6 in mind, if we remove 2 cookies, how many left? Start reading from the 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have 4 cookies left. So first we are going to draw 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we have subtracted 2 cookies from them. How many left? Yes, we are left with 4 cookies. Now reading the third part problem. Fran has 7 cards. She gave 4 away. How many cards does she have now? Now I'm going to make 7 boxes for the cards. And she gave away 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many left? Now you have to keep 4 in mind and start reading till 7. 5, 6, 7. Yes, we have Fran has 3 cards left. So we will write 3 over here. Lou has 8 toys. He got 2 more toys. How many toys does he have now? So in the first box we are going to make 8 toys. And we will add 2 more. 1 and 2. Now if we count all the toys together, they will be 8, 9 and 10. Yes. Now Lou has 10 toys altogether.